I'll go to San Bernardino, really ding ding. Milkshake mixes, that's my thing. These guys bought a heap of my stuff, and I gotta see a good thing chewing up now. Yeah, the folks line up all down the street. I'm seeing this girl devouring me now. And then I get it wham as clear as day. Pulse begin to hammer and I hear a voice say, these guys who got this down ought to be one of these in every town. These guys who got the touch, clean as a whistle and it don't cost much. Wham, bam, you don't wait long. Shake, fries, patty, you gone. How about that, a friendly name? Heck, every little thing ought to stay the same. Oh, my name's not Croc, that's Croc with a K. Like crocodile, but not spelled that way now. It's dog eat dog, ready to